Once more, my name is Godwin, the author of African Bedtime Stories. Have fun and enjoy yourself.
So children, how are you today?
Yeah, thank you.
You have been playing?
Yes.
Waiting for me?
Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Please tell us a story.
Story this evening? I thought you have had enough play.
No.
You still want to listen to a story?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Oge. Oge was an orphan who lived in a small village with her uncle's family after the death of her parents. Oge's uncle, Okani, loved her because she was very smart and hardworking. Okani also had a daughter about Oge's age called Ezina. Ezina was a very lazy girl. Ezina wouldn't help in the house, wouldn't do any chores in the house. She was certainly lazy. She always complained to get Oge in trouble. Okani's wife, Olari hated Oge passion and looked at her with contempt because she was smart. Olari would always say,
"She thinks she's smarter than my daughter."
She would always murmur this to herself. Each time, Oge is commended by her uncle for doing a good job. Each time Okani was away, Olari would maltreat Oge and punish her for no just reason or for any reason. Sometimes she would either force her to eat leftover food or send her to far streams to fetch water for Ezina to bathe. Oge cried often and asked God why he took her own mother away from her. In the night, she would be crying and singing a folk song her mother used to sing for her at bedtime. One day, Olari was upset with Oge. Do you know why? Because Oge accidentally spilled water kept for Ezina to bathe. Yes, accidentally, not intentionally. She shouted at her and sent her away to the stream late in the night. Hey, Oge was very scared as she walked to the stream. It was so dark, the road was so lonely and quiet. There was occasional lightning and thunder. Yes, Oge was afraid that the much talked about ghosts of the night would adopt her. She would sing the song her mother taught her to sing as she walked along. She finally got to the stream. It was so quiet. Suddenly, a big fish appeared. He called her name.
Oge.
She melted in fear and asked,
"Who are you?"
The fish said,
"Do not be afraid. I am your friend. Use a sharp stick and cut my body open. You will find a piece of diamond lodged in my stomach. Take the diamond, sell it, and you will become a very rich girl. Then you can punish your uncle's wife and all those who hate you."
Do you know what Oge said? Oge replied,
"I don't want to cut your body. That would hurt you. I don't want to punish anybody who hated me, even if I got rich."
The big fish said,
"You are such a kind girl. Fetch your water." and I will help you lift the heavy pot.
Oge did as the fish said. But as the fish helped her to lift the heavy pot, he dropped a diamond in the pot. Oge didn't notice that. She thanked the fish and walked home. When she got home, she emptied the pot. She saw a shiny stone in her pot. She brought it out and kept it under her sleeping bed. In the morning, she showed it to her uncle. Her uncle screamed, "You got a diamond!" He called their neighbors. "Everyone come and see! Oge got a diamond!" People gathered and danced because the diamond was worth a lot of money that could buy several houses, farms, clothes, and expensive property. Wow. Yes. The women sang and danced.
Oge the orphan is now a rich girl. Oh.
Oge the orphan girl is now a rich girl. Oge the orphan girl is now a rich girl. Oge the orphan girl is now a rich girl. Ulari was very jealous. She was very jealous that it was Oge and not Ezina, her own child, that got the diamond. Yes. In the night, she sent Ezina, her child, to go and fetch water from that stream, that far away stream, so that she could get her own diamond. When Ezina got to the stream, a big fish appeared and called her name.
Ezina.
Ezina was so scared. Was she really scared?
No.
Oh, she was so scared as she showed. And she asked,
Who are you?
The fish said to her,
Do not be afraid. I am your friend. Use a sharp stick and cut my body open. You would find a piece of diamond lodged in my stomach. Take the diamond, sell it, and you will become a very rich girl. Then you can punish Oge and those who hated you.
do you know what Ezina said?
I hope you have a diamond bigger than Oge's own. I also want you to make that foolish girl, Oge, to be very poor, so that she will suffer all her life.
She used a sharp stick and stabbed the fish. Really hard. Really hard, that it hurt him. And she took the diamond from his stomach. The fish said, oh, he groaned and moaned in pain.
This girl is very mean. She will pay for this.
Do you know what he did? He allowed Ezina. He helped her carry the pot on her head. He allowed her go home. When Ezina got home, she emptied the pot. She took the diamond from the pot to her mother. They called their neighbors to show it to them and celebrate. But when she brought out the diamond, it wasn't really a diamond, but a very bad smelling rock. It wasn't a diamond at all. It smelled so bad that everybody who touched it smelled bad too. Olari and Ezina smelled so bad like rotten eggs. Their neighbors chased them out of the town into the bush because they were smelling so bad that flies followed them about. Olari said to her daughter, look at what you have caused. Look at you. You are now very poor and hated by everyone, isn't it? But Ezina replied her mother and said, you, Mama, you, my mother, you hated Oge, who did nothing to you. Oge became very rich. Look at us suffering. It serves us right. They have chased us out of the village. Let us go and suffer. Oge became a very rich girl. And she used her wealth to help the needy and the poor in the community. Can you see? That is the end of my story.
Wow.
Yeah. So, did you learn anything from the story?
Yes.
Oh, I know we have so many lessons here.
Yeah.
Now, give us your lesson.
I learned that people are jealous.
It's not good to be jealous. Jealousy is bad. Yes. Don't be selfish. Don't be
that
selfish.
it's not good to be so angry with people when they not do anything.
Yes, you just get angry, jealous, hatred is all over you. You do a lot of dangerous things at such times, huh? Yes, dear.
I learned that it's not good to be wicked.
You don't be wicked. Yes.
I learned that you should use your wealth and help them.
Use your wealth and help the poor and the needy in our community, isn't it? Wonderful. Put your hands together for yourselves.
Monkey, 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 he went to the lion's den. The beast and the birds were there. Then suddenly monkey came down and he jumped before them there. The monkey gave a jump right through the lion's knees. The lion sneezed and sat on the monkey, and that is the end of the monkey. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzee started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzee started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once gorilla started weeping.